How to find nearby popular places on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can find nearby popular places on Instagram. So the process is very simple. Simply open up Instagram on your phone, and then from over here simply come over to the search bar. Then type in the search bar nearby places. Now once you guys type in nearby places, you guys are going to see the options up top, which are top, accounts, audio tags, and places. Simply click on the top right on the places, and then after that you guys can just simply type in any place that you want, and it's going to show you the popular places within that region. For example, let's say you live in Islamabad, you can just simply type in Islamabad over here and then choose places, and then you guys are going to get the option for Islamabad, so basically the name of the city. Simply tap on it, and then you guys are going to get this map, and over here you can see all the popular places that are present over here. You guys can move around on the map as well, and you will continue to find more places. So guys, that is how you guys can find nearby popular places on Instagram. It's actually very easy, and it's not that hard, but all that you guys need to do is simply take a look around, and you will be able to find really good popular places. So as you guys can see over here, that there are many different places over here. So guys, that is how you can find nearby popular places on Instagram. So guys, this was the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Till next time, goodbye.